Aloha guys, Eric West here, HawaiiRealEstate.org. Hope you're doing well and staying safe. I'm gonna make maybe the strangest video I've ever made, and I thought it was just necessary because I've watched almost 1,000 videos on the best way to make a mask for the coronavirus. And I thought, you know, we need something for the guys out there because I don't have a sewing machine. Even if I did, I would not know how to use one, but I know I need a mask and I need one for my family. So here's how you can do one in less than 10 seconds. And it harkens back to the Wild West, right? When the bandana was used by all the robbers. Why? Because it fits perfectly around the head. You can hang it down around your neck when you're not using it, but you can put it back up so that it is tight. And that's the key. You have to have a tightness around the nose and mouth, but also, and this is where it gets kind of weird, you need something inside to filter and to also wick away moisture. And the absolute best thing for that, a panty liner. So the key to this is you want one that is not scented, because obviously you don't want to be breathing in any kind of perfumes. We happen to have some unscented ones in the house, and it's amazing how it works. So real simply, you take a full size, normal size I should say, bandana, and then you simply fold it in half, just like the old cowboys and Indians. And then you take your panty liner and you put it in the inside. So I did it already on this one so I could hold the camera at the same time. So there, it's folded in half. I put the panty liner in the inside, and then I fold it this way here, and it's actually unbelievable how good it works. Let me show you real quick here. Okay, gonna take this guy. And then I find that it works best to tie it low on the neck. That's a perfect fit. When I'm not using it, I can put it right here, but if I need to put it back up, nice and tight. I hope this helps. Stay safe, and if you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Aloha.